Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to comment in Python. So there are two ways to do that. First is adding a single line comment and adding a multi-line comment. So why do we need comments? So comments basically add more information or metadata to your code, to your line of code. So that helps in understanding what that particular line or function does. So that makes it easier for anyone else to understand what is the code up to, what is the benefit of it, what is the use case, why it is being written. And that will also help you after few years when you will be relooking at your code. So it will actually help you in understanding your code in faster manner. And at times we just forget why we did what we did in the code. So that is why comments are really important, and we will learn instantly how to write comments in Python. So first step is type the variable. For example, we have this var2 equals to, there we can add a list wherein we have 2-3 items or elements. Now we want to add the single line comment to it. So how will you do that? We will just type hash in the beginning of the line and it will be grade. So this is converted into a single line comment. And shortcut for that in Spider is to press Control 1 key, or in Mac you can just you can just press Command 1 key. Now that will be for single line comment. Now what if you are having multiple lines and you want to add or you want to convert and you want to comment all of them? So we can just first of all have that ready. So now we have this var4, now this is df. Now these are the two lines. We can have 20 lines or 30 lines, but the concept will remain same. So we just have to comment that, and for that you can just use 3 quotes in the beginning and in the end, and done. We are done. And this is the multi-line comment. Now if we'll just type print var3, it will just show that this doesn't exist because everything inside these codes are ignored by Python. So this is how we comment in Python. We can just use hash for a single line comment, and we can add 3 quotes for multi-line comment.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.